In this video, I want to talk about a business asset you can create very quickly that's infinitely scalable and will help convert more prospects into buyers right away. Let me dive into it right now. So the asset that I'm talking about is video content. I'm sure most of you would agree, in a business-to-business environment, most people are going to do business who they know, like, and trust. And video is one of the most powerful ways to get someone to know you, like you, trust you before they ever even talk to you or even after they've talked to you. There's a couple of reasons for that. Psychologically, when you think about it, if you read a book from an author, you're consuming, it's taking some of your senses, but not a lot of them. If you watch if you look at a picture, for example, you're still stimulating some of the senses, but not all of them. With a video, you're getting to hear them, you're getting to hear their expression, the tone in their voice, their tonality, their enthusiasm. You can see if they're a subject matter expert. You can judge someone much more accurately, I would argue, over video, which is why a lot of us as human beings, our favorite people that we admire are actors, actresses, sports stars, right? People that we see out there that are speaking, that we see them, we can kind of experience them as close to being in person as humanly possible. So that's why video is so important, and how you can basically showcase your expertise really, really easily. So there's a couple tools that are going to help you and your sales team do that. I'm going to show them to you right now. One of the tools we've used for years, and I highly recommend, is called Loom. You can even use this internally back and forth just to save time on meetings, to tell you the truth. But sometimes a prospect will ask for more information on something, or can you talk about this or that? One of the ways I would do that, rather than respond to many questions in an email, is record a Loom video, right? It's super easy. You're literally recording yourself or recording your screen, or both, kind of like I'm doing now, which will allow you to showcase, like I said, your expertise. It's very, very fast and easy to do, and it's more personal than any type of email response I've ever seen. So a lot of times if someone's asking for more information, they're asking for like a one-pager, which is a common practice. What can you possibly convey in a one-pager that's gonna get someone excited? Almost nothing, right? A video, on the other hand, can provide a lot more context, can provide a lot of detail, and you can even talk about their specific challenges that you believe they're facing and how you can help solve them in the video. Or you could be sharing their website here on the screen and talking about how you can help them with X or Y. So that's really important. Another one I really like is called SendSpark. This allows you to send customized landing pages with videos in them. You can even do some customized video, but at least at the time of this recording, I wouldn't recommend the customized video part. It's still a little bit janky, and I don't think it's quite there. Eventually, I'm sure it will be, but at least at the time of this, you can even see it's in beta, so the AI personalization isn't there. But the ability to have a landing page that has their name on it, their company name on it, is customized to them with a video is a powerful tool. So we've been doing a lot of this and having a lot of great success, where someone's asking for a little bit more information. We're sending this demo, which feels relatively personalized because it's got their name throughout it. It's got their name on the page, their company name. Looks like we went above and beyond. And some of these tools are super cheap. I'm talking like 10 bucks a month, 20 bucks a month. They're extremely inexpensive. So if you or your sales team is looking for an edge, you want a way to get more FaceTime with a prospect without actually going there or scheduling Zooms. The other piece of it that I have to say is people have less time than ever. So sometimes you request a Zoom with a prospect and they don't want to do it, especially because you haven't really earned that quite yet, because they don't have enough interest. They don't have that rapport built yet. So sometimes when they say, send me more info, sometimes they're blowing you off, but other times, if you send them a video that you make custom for them, talking about their challenges, what you can see, going through their LinkedIn profile, talking about mutual experiences or contacts or shared experiences, that is a really great way to build rapport, and it's on their timeline. So they can watch that video at 2 p.m., they can watch it at 6 p.m. They don't have to schedule this Zoom call with you, and you're still gonna have a lot of the benefits, which is building that rapport, building that know, like, and trust. So again, if you're running a sales team or business owner or what have you, I highly recommend looking to some of these tools, because they can definitely help you when it comes to building that rapport, generating more know, like, and trust, and closing more deals. So I hope this has helped you, and I will see you in the next video.